Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Tether, or USDT, from Binance to Revolut in 2025. If you're new to crypto, Tether is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it super handy for transfers without wild price swings. This process is quick, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have a verified account on both Binance and Revolut. You'll need some USDT in your Binance wallet and the Revolut app set up to receive crypto. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is held. Next, click on Withdraw and search for Tether or USDT. Now, choose the right network. Revolut typically supports networks like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20. So pick the one that matches what you used on Binance to avoid extra fees or failed transactions. Step 2. Enter your Revolut wallet address. You can find this in the Revolut app under the Crypto section. Just copy it carefully and paste it into the withdrawal form on Binance. Don't forget to specify the amount of USDT you want to send. Start small if you're testing. Review the details, including fees, which can vary based on the network you choose. Once you're ready, hit Confirm, and you'll get a verification code via email or SMS. Enter that, and your transaction will be processed. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Revolut app to confirm when the funds arrive. A few tips. Always use the correct network to prevent losing your funds, and be aware of any withdrawal fees on Binance. Also, Revolut might have limits on crypto deposits, so check their app first. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Tether. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.